Hey everyone, I'm Aarti. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Ace English Academy. I will be sharing videos on the basics of English grammar. I hope you will enjoy watching my videos. If you like videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for future notifications. So let's start.
Today's topic is the tenses, and this is all content we are going to cover in this video. First of all, we will discuss the meaning. We will understand what is tense. The word tense is derived from Latin word tempus, which means time. A verb indicates the time of an action, event, or condition by changing its form. Tense tells you when a person did something or when something existed or happened. So what we understand, that tenses tell us when did any work happened and how much work is done. They tell us about yesterday, today and tomorrow. So all we come to know what we did yesterday, what we are doing today, now, at present time, what we will be doing tomorrow. So all this from where we come to know, from tenses. Okay. So tenses are categorized in three types based on the time frame. And what are three types? Past tense, present tense, future tense. Tenses are categorized in further four types based on state of action. And these four types are the indefinite tense, the continuous tense, the perfect tense, the perfect continuous tense. So we'll understand all these four tenses. The indefinite tense tells us that some action is going on, but it does not indicate whether the action is complete or not. Continuous tense tells us that the action is, whatsoever action is going on, it indicates that the action is still going on. The perfect tense tells us that the action is complete or finished. Perfect continuous tense tells that the action began in the past and is still continuing when we are speaking of that action. At that time also that action is still continuing. So now we can say that there are 12 possible tenses. How? See here. Three tenses are present, past and future, and further four tenses: simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. So there are total 12 possible tenses. Today we are going to learn about the present tense. Present tense is the tense of a verb that expresses action that is currently ongoing or habitually performed, or a state that currently or generally exists. So look here, what this present tense tells, that what action is currently going on. What is currently going on? What we are doing currently? Currently we are learning tenses. So this is present tense. Okay, habitually performed, something what you like to do daily, what you do daily, so that is your habit, so we can call it habitually performed action, or state that currently or generally exists. So all these things I will make you understand with the help of examples. Before that, let's move on. See here, these are the four types of present tense: simple present, or we call it present indefinite tense, present continuous, present progressive tense, okay, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense, or we call it present perfect progressive tense. See here, present indefinite tense. Simple present tense expresses a general truth or an action that is occurring regularly or habitually. So here I'm going to explain you. Okay. See here how we form simple indefinite tense with the help of subject, verb, which form? First form of verb, and object. Okay. And other than this, we use SES with the third person singular. Okay. And what is third person singular? He, she, it. First person singular is I. Second person singular is you. Third person singular is he, she, it. With third person singular, we have to use SES. Okay. First person plural, we. Second person plural, you. Third person plural, they. So with rest all, we will just use first form of verb, but with third person singular, we are going to use as es. See here, I speak Hindi, you speak Hindi, we speak Hindi, you speak Hindi, they speak Hindi. But here, the third person singular, he speaks Hindi. S. Or she goes to market. So that will be with es. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you about the use of do and does in present tense or simple present indefinite tense. Here also, just like the use of s and es with the third person singulars, we have to use does with third person singular, that is he, she, it. With rest all other persons, what we have to use? Do. See here. I do my work, you do your laundry. Oh, sorry, I do my laundry, you do your homework. He does nothing. She does charity. He does nothing. She does charity. Okay. Rest all we have to just use do. I hope you understood. Present indefinite tense. So present indefinite tense is used to describe facts and habits. As I have told you earlier also that in present tense, it describes habitual activities or habitual actions. I like chocolates. Fact. Angela goes to park daily. Habit. It always snows here in January. Fact. Okay. To describe schedule events in the future. Like the train arrives at 6 o'clock. The plane lands in 5 minutes. It is low tide at 10:30 hour. So this was all about the present indefinite tense. Now I have formed here three different types of sentences. Okay, in simple present tense with the help with this verb think. Okay, affirmative, interrogative, and negative. Okay, I have taught you about the types of sentences. Okay, see here, affirmative, interrogative, negative. I think, simple, affirmative sentence. Interrogative is a question statement. Do I think? And negative, what we have to do in negative sentence? We have to just include not. So here I have included not in these sentences. You can see, I do not think, you do not think, he does not think. So he, with he, what I have used here? Does. She does. It does. Okay, you have to keep this thing in mind. And simple affirmative sentences, see here. He thinks. S. She thinks. It thinks. With third person singulars, here I have used S and here I have used does. Okay. Now we'll move on to the second part of present tense, that is present continuous or present progressive tense. Present continuous tense is used for an ongoing action in the present. What is happening now is called exactly what is happening now. That is present tense and is still continuing. Okay, that is present continuous tense. How we make present continuous tense? Subject and is MR, verb first form, ing, object. Okay, see here examples. I am playing. I am playing. See here, play is verb, verb first form plus ing. So here you have to just make sure that you know that where to use is MR. With I we use M, with you we use R, and with singular, this first person singular, we use is. Okay, and rest all what we use are. So here I have used different verbs: play, dance, sing, run, speak, talk. Okay, you can see here examples also. So this is how you can make present continuous or present progressive tenses. Present continuous or progressive tenses, what it can also be used to describe an activity that is going on, that is going to happen in the future, but especially for the planned activities. What we have planned now in our present, okay, so that which is going to happen in future but in present, okay, in a very short period of time. See here, we are moving to New Zealand in the summer. This coming summer we are going to move. Okay, the train is arriving in 2 minutes. They are going to meet at the hotel tomorrow. So this is all planned. So we use this for planned activities. Now we will form different types of sentences. Okay, three different types of sentences here: affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentences in present continuous tense. And I have used here verb go. Okay, I am going. Go plus ing, going. You are going. He, she, it is going. Okay, like this, all other sentences. Negative, not, I have included here not. See here, I am not going. You aren't going. Similarly, all other sentences. In interrogative, am I going? Are you going? Okay, so this is how you can make all the three types of sentences in present continuous tense. So this was all about the tenses. So we have learned here about the tenses and the two types of present tense. In my next video, we will learn about all other tenses. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Ace English Academy.